forgot to put some cardboard down. Just trying to, of course I don't want to get too much water like inside the actual tank itself, even though I'm gonna shop back out with my wet dry vac. Really need to get a full top for this workbench over here. I need to hit up my buddy Chad for my other piece of free plywood. Basically just trying to clean it all without disconnecting any of this stuff, because these are all really old plastic clips and everything. So Volkswagen plastic is notorious for cracking and becoming real brittle after a while. Basically just a whole bunch of this over and over again, probably till it looks a lot better. Might think about painting it too, I don't know. Just give it a new paint job. Depends on how well this works, I guess.